Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PIN for your Milestone credit card. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've put a list of a few different ways to do this. Alright, so the first way is to contact customer service. So there'll be a number. If there is a number on the back of your card, dial that number and you will get through to customer service, and then follow through the automated instructions. You may need to enter your card number and other personal information to verify your identity, and then request PIN setup. So select the option to set up or change your PIN. This is usually available in the automated menu, or you may need to speak directly with a customer service representative. And now the second way is online account management. So go to the Milestone Credit Card account management website and log in with your username and password. Navigate to PIN settings. So once you've logged in, look for an option related to card settings or security settings. This may be under a section like Manage Card or Security. And then from there, follow the on-screen instructions to set up or change your PIN. You may need to enter your current PIN if you are changing it. And now, if you got the mobile app, so download and install the mobile app and then log in your account using the app. And then look for the section related to card settings or security. And then from there, set up or change your PIN. So follow the prompts to set up or change your PIN. And I'll put down some additional tips here. So choose a secure PIN. So pick a PIN which is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like 1, 2, 3 or your birth year, for example.